Hello friends, in this video I will show how to update Windows 10 latest version without losing single thing. So click on Start, Settings, and here click on Windows Update. Now click on Check for Updates and if update is available. So download and install required update files. And another method, open any web browser, then here type Microsoft Media Tool, Media Creation Tool, and open this first official link. Now just guys, you have to click on this update now. The update assist can help you update to the latest version of Windows 10. To get started, click update now. And there are another option, create Windows 10 installation media. To get started, you will first need to have a license to install Windows 10. You can then download and run the media creation tool. So download and install and make sure you have the license, and this way you can update your Windows 10. So very simple and basic method to update Windows. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.